Hello, people. Oh my god, today I've come back from work. I had a bath, I've like applied makeup and all because I just realized I've actually been missing you folks. Yeah, I mean, when I don't do these recordings, it's like something is missing from my life and my day and all of that. And right now I'm sitting beneath a tube light. That's why I have this unearthly glow on my face, but it feels good, and that's what camera work is all about, right? To you know. So anyway, people these days I've been watching a lot of Netflix and been reading a lot also. So it's like I mean, just now I had done a review of Manmaduru, the Telugu film, and Oh Baby, so these are two films I did a review of. And people, there is this Aamir Khan documentary called Roobaroo Roshini. It is here, it is another level. I mean, in terms of it's about these three people who three different cases of people who've been like, did you know Shankar, President Shankar Dayal Sharma's granddaughter had both her parents gunned down when she was 6 years old. And towards the end of this documentary, we are shown that she not just forgave the person who committed this double murder, but she actually helped in remitting his sentence. His, he was like, it was like a life sentence, I think. And she invited him over for lunch to her place. So just watching that documentary is like an emotional experience, and then there was this case of a Malayali nun being, she was pulled out of a moving bus and brutally stabbed. And her sister, who is surviving, is also a nun in the convent, but she chose to not just forgive the guy, forgive the man who did the murder, uh, remit his sentence, and also she ties him a rakhi every year. I mean, these are, it's, what can one say? Yeah, I mean, we go through some little problems and it's like affects us so much, but hats off. So Roobaroo Roshini, just try and watch it, people. It will change the way you look at the world. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And I just need to say this, a special thank you to Amir Khan and Mrs. Amir Khan for making this documentary, because it's like these are stories that need to be told. And if not for this documentary, like, I mean, I've personally seen a few bitter custody battles and divorce cases and all, where neither party is willing to forgive the other. But when you watch a documentary like this, it suddenly brings so much perspective that, that people are able to forgive such heinous crimes. So what is one small thing compared to that? So thank you, the makers of this documentary, Amir Khan and Mrs. Amir Khan. It is, it's at another level. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.